चलो चलो भाई चलो भाई भाई चलो चलो भाई चलो आगे उठो भाई
I have been looking at the crop damage, which is very bad. The farmers must be compensated very quickly, as they were in the time of my government.
Sir, what you would like to give the advice to the Chief Minister, sir?
That all the damage that is done to the crops, they must be given the compensation very, very quickly.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।